Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo, channel Levitate Style. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Union Jordan 1 Nike Air Force 1 Customs. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. Also, please hit that subscribe button. I got new sneaker and fashion content coming out every week. All right, first of all, hope you guys are all staying safe and doing well. I ordered some of these Nike Air Force 1, the Nike by You, a few months ago, actually kind of right before all of this lockdown. It's been really fun designing some of these Nike Air Force 1s. The Air Force 1 is definitely one of the most classic silhouettes out there. I say Air Force 1s and Jordan 1s are probably the most popular Nike sneakers of all time. I have made 4 designs. This is one of them. This is obviously, if you can't tell by the title of the video, but also by looking at this, these are heavily influenced and inspired by the Jordan 1 Union collaboration. So let's get into the details. Here is the box that it comes in. It's a white Nike box and it says Nike by You. So you can tell right away that these are the customized sneaker from Nike. For this pair of the Nike Air Force 1 here, this is the regular version of the Air Force 1 you can customize. They come up with so many different options. There's ones with leather, with snakeskin, with different collaborations like Levi's. This is one of the regular ones that they offer. I think these are a little bit cheaper. So these go for about $110. Collab on my one hand, and the other hand is the Air Force 1 here. Look at the comparison next to each other. They're really similar. I mean, from far away, you can definitely tell the inspiration with the two. I try to design them as close to the original design pair here as much as possible. So you can see like the laces color are a little bit different, but overall, it's a really nice looking copy. So for starters, I went with a white leather base up on the top here. I went with this black leather for the black toe look. And then also you gotta pick the black leather up here at the top. Now, of course, you can't do like the split tongue like the Union 1. So with the tongue, I picked this black leather tongue. For the back here, I went with this red color to match, and the swoosh is a black leather swoosh as well. For the back here, I went with this gray lining color to match the original, the lighter gray that it has. And then for the back, I went with this white leather to match the white leather back here. I got the Nike Air in this gray color, but actually looking back, I kind of wish I got it in a blue stitching to match the blue stitching on the Jordan 1 Unions. For the midsole here, I went with the sail beige color. It's actually not as yellow as I would like it. It's not that big of a difference from the white leather up at the top. I really wish it's much more noticeable, but maybe as I wear them, it would yellow a little bit more and it's gonna look more like the original collaboration. And then for the bottom, of course, I went with the varsity red color to match the red. For the laces on the top here, I went with this option that they gave. This was the only option for yellow laces. I think it was called like a mustard or like a yellow mustard color option. This was the closest thing that they offer that matches with like the Lakers varsity yellow on the original collaboration. Overall, I really love how this turned out. I mean, anyone that's a big sneakerhead now, they can see this from far away down the block and they can tell this is a heavily influenced by the Union colorway. Checking on StockX right now, the Union Jordan 1 goes for anywhere from $1,300 to $1,700. It really depends on the size. These have really gone up a lot. So this is a really great option to get something that's very similar. I love the colorway. I love the low top. It's really great for the summer as well. And these only cost $110 versus something like $1,200, $1,300, depending on your size on StockX. I really love how these turned out. These look really nice on feet, in person. I just love the Nike Air Force 1 low. It's a really nice silhouette, classic, won't go out of style. And I love a low top option for the spring and summer season. Now, of course, I love my original pair. These are really nice. I love the quality on these and the style of these guys. So this will be great for my fall and winter season. And this I can switch up for a spring and summer look. These Nike by You Air Force 1 took me about 3 weeks to get them in, which isn't so bad. I think the average is about 3 to 4 weeks. But I have heard that some people got theirs really quick in like maybe 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. Overall, a lot of the releases have been pushed back. So this is a really cool and fun way to design some of the classic sneakers in this classic silhouette at an affordable price. Like I said, I made 4 different pair of designs and I had to stop myself. I had so much fun designing these, and honestly, I love how these turned out. I really want to make the original Chicago 1. I want to make like the bread toes. I want to make the fragment. I've been looking for inspiration from the really rare Jordan 1 styles that I really can't get. They're really expensive. So it's cool to reimagine those styles on another classic silhouette like these. I would love to know if you guys gonna get a pair. Have you guys ordered a Nike by You pair ever before? This is one of my first pairs I've ever gotten and I really love them. There you have it guys, the Nike Air Force 1 Nike by You Union design. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.